hyphen, this is sleeve. Today we show one advantage of Xinzhizang software. This is multi-account. Multi-account means 3 account. You 3 account on 3 different computer. If you have, now we check. For example, this friend thing, I need a multi-account because I have many diploma. In this case, other brand no have, then Xinzhizang have this. So I send one in his account. He will use it soon, and we will show you more details. Thank you.